So here's something I want to share with you. If you notice, like throughout the series, you'll see that I wore different shirts throughout the series. And I did that intentionally to imply that I recorded the videos on different days. So that's one of my tricks to when I batch content. You want to change up your clothes, or you want to change up your outfit so it doesn't seem monotonous. You want people to believe that you are, you just don't want to have the same setup every single time. I call that batching. When you batch, so batching content is when you do a bunch of videos all in one setting. And when you're doing that, you have to be mindful to change your clothes, change your outfit, and sometimes you even want to change your scenery. So that's just a little bonus tip that I have for you. Batch your content and change your outfits. Like, I post a lot on social media and people believe I'm out every day, and I just pick one day every week and I film a bunch of content, and that's what I did.